Hello and welcome to our facility in Liberec. My name is Jiří Maškarinec and here at ELMARCO I work as a researcher in the R&D group. Today I will introduce you to different approaches to mixing polymer solution. The right and appropriate mixing is necessary to achieve product with specific properties. The most common way to mix the polymers is the laboratory mixer. We use it mainly for preparation of small volumes of polymer solutions. Its big advantage is to heat the solution to required temperature. This small amount of solution can be used for initial lab trials of spinability or to check parameters of nanofiber layers. For mixing of little bit bigger volumes, we use laboratory shaft mixer. It is able to mix polymers with higher viscosity. Because in this case it is not easy to seal the beaker, we recommend it to use mainly with non-toxic and slowly evaporating chemicals. Speed mixer is not so common laboratory equipment providing the mixing in very high speeds. It is fast and effective and enable us to mix polymers with very high viscosity, seal it and without stir. Polymer mixing station is an industrial approach to preparation of polymer solution, because it is possible to prepare up to 120 kilos of chemicals. The main advantage is that the operators are not in contact with chemicals, and also it is possible to safely heat the entire volume.